Alright, so this is how we're gonna start this video off today with my lady friends right there. We're here in Bassi Falls. This is up in the Sierra Nevada mountains. We're gonna do the hike. It's about a 4-mile hike. Last time I was out here was back in August of 2025, and there was no water for the falls because it was summertime, but now the falls is flowing. And look at, we got these beautiful girls here, huh? There was a few more. A couple of them got scared off when I drove in my car. But this is how we're going to start the video off here with my girls. That's Linda and the other one's Leah. I call them the double L's. Yep, it's about a 4-mile hike in and out. And yeah, I'll be picking up the video periodically. But I just thought this would be a cool way to start off the video with my girls here, Linda and Leah. Alright, to be continued. And would you believe me if I told you that you can make Mountain Dew or Sprite out of these pine needles right here? Yep, they call it Bayou Dew or Backwoods Sprite. But yeah, you can make soda out of these pine needles. Check my YouTube videos. I have it on there on how to do it. It's called Bayou Dew. Check it out. Alright, so here we are under Bassi Falls. 150-foot waterfall. Up in the Sierra Nevada mountains. When I was here in August, of 2025, it was just a little trickle coming down. Like none of this water wasn't rushing like this. Look at that. Woo, that's moving good. We got a little swimming hole right here for the kiddos. Let me get over there. This is all granite rock right here. Yeah, this is a cool little swimming hole for the kids. I know that water is freezing, boy. Yeah, it's a cool little swimming hole right here for the kids. Yeah, so Bassi Falls up in the Sierra Nevada mountains. I mean, you're surrounded by granite rocks. And we've seen 2 waterfalls on the way up here. But yeah, it was so it's an in and out hike. It's 4 miles round trip, 2 miles in. And with me stopping to take pictures and do a couple little videos, it took me around about an hour to get here, and that's what's taking my time. I'm gonna, last time I was here, I laid up on that rock right here. See that rock? I laid up there and had some lunch and stuff. But I got out here about 5:45 a.m. I'll probably have the place to myself since it's a weekday. It's a Tuesday. So yeah. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys this. And if you guys are in the area, this is a cool little hike to do. Not too bad of an incline, not too bad at all. But yeah, I recommend getting out here at sunrise. Because last time I came out here, like I said, I had this whole place to myself for a few hours until people started coming. And like I said, none of this water was here. There was barely any water. Well, all right then, Wanderers. I hope you like this. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing another hike. I'm going to be going somewhere where there's 8 different waterfalls. That's right, you heard me. 8 different waterfalls, and it's like a 7.4 hike. It's a loop. So I'll have some more content coming out here shortly with this, and then tomorrow. But anyway, all right, you guys, if you like my videos and stuff, go ahead and give it a like, share the video, hit that subscribe button. And if you like, you can donate money to my Buy Me a Coffee. Even $3 helps. All right, then. Oh, and I'm going to add the link in the description on how to make that Bayou Dew. That video I made. All right. Well, stay wondering, you guys. Thanks for your support.